Assalamualaikum kids. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today I am going to teach you months of the year. Do you know children how many months in a year? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. And what are names them? Yes, their names are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now repeat it again with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now children, we will write the name of months in copy. And you now open your copy and write with me your work. As you know children, this is your English copy. Now open your copy. Children, in the first you will write the month's name on the top of the page. Then you will make the two columns. You will draw the line in the middle of the page like this. In the first column you will write the name of January, and in another column you will write the February. And the spelling of January is January, January. Now write it again. January, January. January, January. Now children, you will write the spelling of February, and the spelling of February is February, February. Now write it again. February, February. Now write it again. February, February. Children, you will complete this page at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.